Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change lines in Lucidchart. I'm showing this on the web version, but the process is the same in the desktop app. First, click on the line you want to change. Just click anywhere along the line itself on your canvas. You'll know it's selected when the line becomes highlighted and you see selection handles appear along its path. The formatting toolbar at the top becomes active with all your line options. If you want to change multiple lines at once, hold Shift and click the additional lines you want to select. Now click the Line Style dropdown in the formatting toolbar. This opens a menu showing all the different line patterns you can use: solid, dashed, dotted, and more. You can hover over each style to preview how it'll look on your diagram before selecting one. Once you've found the one you want, click it. The line on your canvas updates immediately to the new style. You'll also notice some special options at the bottom of this dropdown. Double creates parallel lines. Jump makes the line hop over intersecting lines. And Text Pill adds a pill shape around any text on the line. Next, if you want to change the line width, look for the line width box right next to the line style dropdown. Click the up or down arrows to adjust the thickness, or type in a custom value. The line thickness changes in real time as you adjust it. You can go from 0.5 pixels all the way up to 10 pixels. To change the line color, click the line color icon in the formatting toolbar. It looks like a paint bucket or color swatch. A color palette appears. Click any color, and it applies immediately to your selected line. You've got preset colors, theme colors, or you can create custom colors using hex, RGB, or HSB values if you need a specific shade. Finally, if you want to change how the line bends between shapes, click the Line Shape dropdown in the formatting toolbar. You've got three options here. Elbow creates 90-degree angles, straight creates direct paths, and curved gives you smooth curves. The line's path updates as soon as you select one. Elbow is the default for new documents and makes lines follow the grid with right-angle bends. All your changes save automatically to your Lucidchart document. If you want all future lines in this document to use a specific style, click on the blank canvas so no lines are selected, then adjust the line formatting options. Every new line you draw will use those settings by default. Thanks for watching.